Imagine a compact SUV that blends European refinement, bold new styling, upgraded performance, and premium comfort. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan. Volkswagen has re-engineered one of its most successful SUVs to make it smarter, stronger, and more luxurious than ever before. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Tiguan makes a statement. The front design is completely refreshed, featuring a wider grille, a full LED light bar, and an illuminated Volkswagen emblem that glows at night. The sharper body lines, redesigned bumper, and more aerodynamic shape give the Tiguan a confident and modern presence on the road. Even the side profile has been enhanced with muscular fenders and sleek window lines, while the optional 20-inch alloy wheels add a sporty attitude that instantly grabs attention. At the rear, the Tiguan continues its bold styling with a glowing full-width LED light bar and another illuminated VW logo. The sculpted tailgate, dual exhaust style finishers, and premium trim accents complete a look that feels more upscale than anything in its class. Step inside the 2026 Tiguan, and the interior immediately feels like a major upgrade. Volkswagen has redesigned the cabin using higher quality materials, improved ergonomics, and a more premium look. The first thing you'll notice is the massive 15-inch touchscreen in the center, floating seamlessly above the dashboard. It handles navigation, media, climate, and nearly all vehicle settings with smooth, fast responses. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, giving you full smartphone integration without any cables. Just behind the steering wheel sits a 10.3-inch digital cockpit display that shows crisp graphics, maps, safety alerts, and customizable layouts depending on your driving mode. Every button and control feels more intuitive, more organized, and more driver-focused. The seats in the 2026 Tiguan take comfort to another level. The front seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions, allowing you to relax on long drives or daily commutes. Rear passengers aren't left behind, they get generous legroom, reclining seats, and heated outboard seats. The materials feel genuinely upscale, with available diamond quilted Verena leather, real walnut wood trim, and soft touch finishes across the dashboard and door panels. Volkswagen even improved cabin insulation, making the interior quieter and giving you a more peaceful ride. The ambient lighting system is one of the highlights of the Tiguan's new interior. With 30 different color options, you can change the cabin mood from cool blue to warm gold, or mix shades that match your personality. At night, the soft glow enhances the dashboard, door panels, and footwells, giving the Tiguan a luxurious and modern atmosphere usually seen in higher-priced SUVs. Now let's talk about the performance. The 2026 Tiguan comes with a significantly upgraded 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers up to 268 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque in the R Line Turbo trim. This is a huge improvement over previous models, thanks to a larger turbocharger, stronger engine components, and improved cooling systems. Whether you're merging onto the highway or passing slower traffic, the Tiguan feels noticeably quicker and more responsive. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and confidently. Volkswagen's 4-motion all-wheel drive system comes standard on higher trims, providing excellent traction, stability, and control in challenging conditions such as rain, snow, or rough terrain. The Tiguan handles corners with balance and precision, offering a ride that feels both comfortable and planted at high speeds. Safety is also a major part of the 2026 Tiguan. Volkswagen's IQ.Drive suite includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane keeping assist. The system works smoothly to support the driver without feeling intrusive. The new Turning Assist 2.0 feature adds an extra layer of safety by detecting oncoming vehicles during left turns and braking automatically when necessary. These advanced technologies make the Tiguan not only safer but also more relaxing to drive on highways and in city traffic. The 2026 Tiguan also excels in practicality. With up to 69.8 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded down, you can easily carry luggage, camping equipment, or large shopping hauls. The 5-seat layout provides better comfort and space compared to previous 3-row Tiguans. The power liftgate and low cargo floor make loading easier, while wide-opening rear doors improve passenger access. Additional features like wireless charging, USB-C ports, a head-up display, and a premium 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system complete the luxury experience. Despite the significant boost in power, the Tiguan still runs on regular unleaded fuel, offering a smart balance between performance and efficiency. Volkswagen backs the Tiguan with a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty and includes 2 years of scheduled maintenance. The 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan is more powerful, more stylish, and more technologically advanced than ever before. It blends everyday practicality with premium comfort and strong performance, making it an ideal SUV for families, travelers, and modern drivers who want a vehicle that feels both smart and sophisticated. And that brings us to the end of this review. If you enjoyed discovering the all-new 2026 Tiguan, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Tiguan and whether it's the right SUV for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.